Over here is how I built my solar system. Number 1, interval with sinus. Number 2, charge controller MPPT. Number 3, automatic switch power. I would like to show everyone how many tests I had to do to create the strongest solar panel structure at the lowest cost. I also ordered and used these components. Number 4, number 5, and a lot of stainless steel screws, like number 6, number 7, 8, 9, and number 10. On the number 11, you can see solar module, bracket and clamps from aluminum. On the number 12, stainless steel cable ties. They stretch up to 100 kilograms. In the meantime, I will show all of you the steps for the assembling the legs to the panels. On the February 2024, I created 40 legs to panels, like on the step number 1. Below I show the main steps. Over here, step 2, 3, 4, 5. And then step 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. On the roof, step 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Looks like step 18, 19. Here is structure 2 legs, 20 and 21. Right now and right here, I'd like to show everyone how I managed to carry and install 10 solar panels up on the roof without any help. And then, in the meantime, I will show again what other components I used to my project. Okay, let's go. Number 13, 100 meters of electric cable. Number 14, solar cables terminals. Number 15, 100 meters of red solar cable. Number 16, 100 meters of black solar cable. 17, cables conduits. 18, PCV tube. 19 and 20, a lot of LEDs. Number 21, motion sensor, night option 12 volts. Number 22, motion sensor, 12 volts. 23, motion sensor, adjustable 220 volts. 24, round cable wire clips. Number 25, quick connectors up to 50 amps. 26, wire repair multifunction. 27, copper battery terminals. 28, copper plates. 29, copper screws. Number 30 and 31, cubes collecting cables into one. Blue is the minus pole, red is the plus. Number 32, mini electric circular saw. 33, digital clamp meter. 34, battery capacity meter. Number 35, intelligent pulse repair to batteries. Diesel variable. 36, measuring the temperature of the terminals around the cable. 37, my energy storage system, 12 volts. 38, 9 pieces of solar panels, 420 watts. 39, one solar panel, 385 watts. Number 40, universal rail. And the most important are fuses and fans, which sometimes have to be bought again. 41, fuses 16 amps. 42, fuses from 40 to 100 amps. And finally, number 43, inverter fan. Wow! I managed everything. Oof. Now let's check, is everything okay? Current from solar panels almost 200 amps. Current from the inverter 200 amps. Before with steel tips it was almost 15 degrees. After using only copper, right now we have only maximum 34 degrees. Here we can see the protection pairs on the individual panels connected in series to the west and connected to parallel to the east. I set a compromise charging voltage, MPPT floating and absorption for lead acid and AGM batteries. Now we can check how hard each battery is working. Again. Small batteries produce little current, large ones produce a lot. Oof, everything is works. You are welcome to like my channel.